Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to talk to Character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Character AI app, then tap on the chat you want. Here you can see the option of chat at the first. Tap on it and firstly go to explore and search your character you want. Tap on any one of it, then it will directly direct you to the chat box. Then type hi, they'll prompt a chat, then after you can chat with them like this. What you can do another way is, here you can see the option of chats. Tap on it. Here you can see your characters. Tap on anyone you want to talk, then send them text like this. You can chat with any character you like. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.